Use this amazing CPA marketing strategy to make some cool cash right here, up to $400 a day with CPA marketing. And we're going to be leveraging an amazing platform right now where we're going to be utilizing a very cool email list right here that you can actually use to get to a lot of traffic. As you can see right here, these are actually lots of cool emails right now, and I'm actually going to show you how you could leverage this right now to go on to making a lot of money online. And guys, before we dive right into the video, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right here in boosting your income online, because there are a lot of unique strategies out there on my channel. You could also make sure you're subscribed to the channel right now, and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help boost your income online. With that being said, guys, let's dive right into the video of today. Basically, what you want to do first is to get an account created on a CPA marketing platform like CPA Grip. Click on register. We're brought to this page right here where you want to provide the basic details on all fields having this red asterisk signs, as it indicates the required field you must fill out before your account can be created. Agree to the terms of service right here by checking these boxes like I am doing right now. Once you're done with that, click on register. Go on to login into your account, and once you do log into your account, you want to come onto the offers section right now. And for this page right here, guys, as you can see right here, I actually came onto the offer tools section, selected my offer tools and my offers to get to this page right here. But basically, guys, you want to filter your offers to get offers from the United States demographic, which is a very cool top tier country or top tier demographic you can leverage right now to get cool and amazing offers right now. And guys, the reason why we're actually using the United States is because of the fact that the email list which we're actually going to be utilizing to promote our CPA marketing offers is actually a United States email list right now. So guys, what I'm going to do right here is that I'm just going to leave you the link to the email list in the description of the video, and you can actually gain access to that. So basically, what you want to do first of all is to filter your offers based on payout, and you want to go on to selecting a very cool and amazing CPA marketing offer that may actually be a sweepstake offer. And if I do select one right now, you can actually do see more details to the offer that this is a very cool sweepstake offer for $10,000 giveaway. Is available for people in the United States to use their Apple iOS device to submit their email and zip code while actually going through a simple survey using this your unique link right here, and you get paid $2.22 for every successful person that fits into this category and actually go on to doing that right now. So basically, what you want to do right here is to copy the link to this, go on to creating a simple landing page. You may use the Google site, CPA.io, Breezy Cloud, or any other landing page builder site of your choice. But what I'm going to do right now is you just simply head on to my channel. That is, if you can't create a simple landing page, head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and just simply go on to typing in landing page. And if you do type in landing page and click on enter right now, guys, you'll be able to see a lot of videos I created for you that can actually help you right now in creating simple landing pages. This one right here shows you how to create a landing page for free right now. This also shows you how to create a landing page with the CPA.io. This is how to create a landing page with Google Sites. This is also with Webflow, and you can keep on scrolling through. You'll be able to see some videos I created for you right now. Check out those videos right there, as they could help you create very cool and high converting landing pages right now. So once that has actually been created, next you want to just simply head on to copying the link to your landing page right now and actually go on to promoting that particular offer. Now, how do you promote the offer is that once you check out the first link in the description of my video right now, you are actually going to be able to see the email list link right there, of which if you do click, you'll be brought to a page such as this. Go on to downloading the email list right here, and once you've downloaded that, we are going to be utilizing this one. If you do download that and extract that on your device, you can see this is how the document is actually going to go on to looking like. So you want to open this one right here, which is a 100,000 USA email list, and if you open that, you'll be shown this email list right here. So what you want to do right now is that I'm just going to focus on the first 10 emails right now, or the first 3 emails. If I do come right here and copy these 3 emails right now, or rather 4 emails right here, I'm going to copy that. I'm just going to head back to my browser right now, and once you do that, guys, you want to head on to the mail section right here. You want to go on to clicking on compose right now, and you want to just simply add a recipient. So I'm just going to paste in that right here. As you can see, the 4 emails has actually been added right now. You can add in as many emails as you can right here. And for the subject, guys, you want to just simply type in something quite cool and amazing that actually relates to that particular CPA marketing offer which we intend on promoting. So as you can see the title right here, which says enter to stand a chance of winning $10,000 right now. So for the body text right here, I'm just going to compose something like, so you can see right here it says, are you looking or are you in need of more money to satisfy your needs? Enter now for a chance to win $10,000 giveaway. And if you're putting something like this, the next thing which you want to do is to either paste in that particular link to that CPA marketing offer right here, or the link to your landing page right here, so that they can actually access that. Or instead, you want to just simply put in something like click here. And if you do type in something like click here, you want to highlight that particular text. When that has been highlighted, click on the link icon, and you want to paste in the link right there to that particular CPA offer or the landing page right now. So if you come right here, copy the link, head back to that particular platform right now, and while on the platform, you want to just simply paste that right here and click on OK. And for anybody that come on to clicking on this section, will automatically get taken to that particular CPA offer for them to go on to completing, and you make money with the strategy. So this is actually quite cool right now. So you want to just simply leverage as many email lists or emails as you can from this email list right here. They are quite numerous right now, so just simply leverage the platform right here to utilize that to get a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And with this, we're actually getting lots of targeted traffic. So utilize this to make a lot of money online. If the video added some value, do smash the like button to the video right now, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.